Good morning, everybody. It's Richard Muller here, and today I'd like to do my Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the Dow Jones Index. We've had some positive price action in the last couple of days. If we start with the weekly Ichimoku cloud, we can see that the Dow boundary support here at the back end of the cloud here, roughly the 2,530 level and 2,550. That's a significant support zone on a weekly chart. And after the sell-off, we rebounded from that level, only to run into resistance here. Let me just zoom in. At the standard line here of the cloud, and that is a key resistance zone. So it will be interesting to see if we can get past this resistance level. Let me just put a line in there for us to see. That 26,375. And that coincides very well with the front-end cloud resistance here. We can put a line there of 26,212. So we need to see a significant high volume breakout on a weekly basis past this 26,375 resistance zone. Volume currently is a little bit light, and so that remains a concern. But from a weekly chart perspective, resistance at 26,375. If we break past that level, then we're looking at 26,700 here as the next resistance area, and then 27,080 resistance there in the ultimate old high at the top of the chart. But for us to get there, we first need to break past this 26,375 with significant above average volume. That will indicate us that it's a good sustained breakout out of this tight trading range. All right. If resistance holds, then we can sell off back down to the old cloud chart support level of 25,550 or 525 and 25,450 zone. This zone, yeah. That's the downside risk. So downside risk back to the back end cloud support level here. Upside potential is 26,700 and 27,000 as the upside target on a weekly Ichimoku cloud. Turning to the daily. It's going to here we can see we rebounded from 25,448, which is the bottom end cloud level, a significant support zone here. The Dow rebounded from that level, ran into a bit of resistance at the bottom end of the cloud, managed to get to 26,375, and that's the front end cloud resistance. We can see from that level there, that's the front cloud resistance. So we are at the point we're going to retest that line for the fourth time now, actually. And that is also the lagging line, the standard line, baseline, which is the 26 days pivot point of the Ichimoku cloud. So we can see that's a significant resistance level. Now, today and this week, we need to break past 26,375, take out the old high there. And then the target is 26,700, the next key resistance level there. And then 27,000 on the daily chart. So there's upside potential, but we do need to get past 26,375, and that is absolutely critical. A high volume breakout past this front cloud resistance would be an encouraging sign. I'm a bit worried about this type price actions back and forth fighting. If resistance holds, then we're going to retest these lows of 25,480, 25,448. We'll retest those lows if this resistance holds. But the next 2 days, absolutely critical. The Dow needs to get past 26,375, and we need to break past there with above average volume. If we don't get that volume, then I'll be a little bit worried about this. Good areas to go short would be around this level and 26,700 and 27,080. These are the downside potential downside short selling targets when we get to these levels. Take some profit off the table from this rally, but nevertheless, we do first need to see that breakout this today or tomorrow. We'll see if we're going to get that breakout past this cloud chart resistance. Currently, we're still long the Dow based on the MACD buy at the bottom in cloud support level here. So we are long the index since the rebound down here, and then also this cloud rebound at the bottom end of the cloud here. at 26,039. So that's the levels to look out for. Turning to the 4-hour chart, a little bit more intraday. Significant resistance here. We can see that level there is 26,375, as well as that one, 26,400. We need to break past these levels. A critical day ahead to see if we're going to get past that level. We've had a MACD buy right down here at 25,448 zone. And so it's been a nice little rally, a bit of a sell-off here. So this back and forth price action is not particularly favorable from a long-term perspective. It's forming a base here, yes, and you need to break out of that base. If it doesn't break out of that base, then we're going to go back down. So looking to take some profit off the table when we get past this breakout and we get to 26,700 and 27,000. But it's going to be critical to see if we get this breakout this next 2 days. If we don't get that breakout, then all bets are off. Take profit off the table, and we'll go short the market back down to 525,448. Okay, but watch out. We're at a critical cloud chart resistance level. This zone here is a significant resistance zone for the Dow to get through. If we don't get through that level, we are going lower. If we get through that level, we'll pop up to 26,700 and 27,000 over the next week or two. All right. Until next time, happy trading.